In StoryBoard, you can use properties to control how image and text resources are formatted. Let's start by centering the text in this section. For this, select the text, then open the Properties panel from this icon. Here there are several options. These keep certain lines and paragraphs together on a page or in a column. And these control the spacing and alignment. We'll change the alignment here to center the text. Now let's add an image to the theme. You see this part of the image doesn't quite fit in the section. To fix this, open the Properties panel again. Here you see the formatting options for images. With this option, I can change the width of the image. Now let's close this panel to see the theme more clearly.